Okay, let's get Lokinet installed on this computer. This is Windows 10. Fresh, blank install of Windows 10. So let's download Lokinet for Windows. That will download the latest iteration, which is 0.9.11. Then I'll install it. Lokinet is now installed, so let's start it. And at this point we should have a functional Lokinet. So let's try, open up a command prompt. Let's ping a Lokinet address, ping directory .loki. Yep, it works. Let's pull it up in a tab here. They're all HTTP sites, so you'll have to put that in front of it. Lokinet is encrypted already, so double encryption is not needed anyway. Yep, it works. At the bottom of this page there are many more Lokinet address places you could go to. You can also enable the exit node by connecting to the exit node that's listed here. It's a publicly available node. It's kind of slow if there's a lot of use, but you can connect to it. And it connected. Let's try to ping one of the ClearNet sites. Let's ping Privacy Pro Shop. Nope. This is what quite often happens. After you get Lokinet installed, it's able to get to Lokinet, but until you turn off Lokinet, it won't be able to get back onto the ClearNet. So let's shut it down. And now the DNS should be good again. privacyproshop.com pings happily. So how to fix this? Well, the problem is that the Windows DNS resolver for some reason gets screwed up when Lokinet is installed. So you can bypass it with a better resolver. And the name of the resolver is Yoga DNS at yogadns.com. And you just click download Yoga DNS, open the file, install it, and finish it. It launches. They have two versions, the Pro version, which this is, but it will turn to a basic version in 30 days, and that would be fine. The basic version will work every bit as well. So you don't want to show that on startup. Click OK. And then it'll go to this Welcome to Yoga DNS and run through the first start wizard. So what you want to do is you just start with an empty configuration. Click Next. Click OK. And then you go to Configuration, DNS Servers, add Cloudflare's DNS over TLS. Choose DNS over TLS. Type in the address, which is real easy, 1.1.1.1. Hit OK, and then click OK. That's fine, and it'll automatically set it as the default resolver. So now let's open up Lokinet or start Lokinet. Lokinet is now running. Let's connect to the exit node. And now let's see if it pings. Sure enough, it does. And because it does it over the DNS over TLS. Fantastic. So that fixes the problem. Also, let's verify that we can get to a ClearNet site. So let's go to Privacy Pro Shop. And there it is. Privacy Pro Shop comes up. And if you want to support this channel, please purchase a Lokinet access code from Privacy Pro Shop. It's a high performance node that won't slow you down. Now, because we're using the resolver here that doesn't know anything about Lokinet, the Lokinet addresses won't resolve. So ping directory.loki. and it has no idea. So we need to fix that. So go back to this Yoga DNS, click on Rules, click on Add, click on or type in Loki here for the new rule. Host names, put an asterisk, .loki, action process, and DNS server default. So we'll use the Windows resolver for that. So you just hit OK here, go here, and now it should work. Bingo! Cool. So let's browse the Lokinet. So let's go to Oxen Block Explorer on the Lokinet. Works. Blocks.loki. So that's it. That's how you fix Windows DNS resolver to get Lokinet to work under Windows. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching.